Ba't tatlo yung wallet ko? Because you put water here. I had a full day today. I ordered their matcha latte. Oh my gosh, please ignore the mess. By the way, if I haven't told you already, I'm currently living alone in Manila. I need to be productive, so I thought to take you guys along with me. Today is Monday and it's currently 8 p.m. The whole day I was just in class. Okay, let's go. First order of business, to change my bag from this to this one, my umbrella, because sobrang init, parang open dito sa Pilipinas. This is my favorite bag talaga, pero parang gusto ko lang kayong palitan na itong bag na to. Using this for almost a year, only less than 200 pesos. Eyeglasses, super cute nung pouch nila, I love it. Then my glasses, my house keys, my trusty earphones from Besus. I like to have that para pag nasa biyahe or while waiting sa class. One thing about me is I love to have tissues, different kinds of wipes, alcohol. I've tried yung tomato and this one. Dalawa kasi yung wipes ng Fresh. Yung tomato, it's okay. Pero this one, parang cooling effect. So, I like this one better. Put it right here. I wish kasha siya. Yung wipes. 2 mini wipes. Toothbrush and toothpaste. And then my medicine box with lots of medicine. Pangarap ko atang maging mercury. Floss. Alcohol, of course. Let's see if it fits. Sakto! This cute IKEA and whistle and flashlight. Ooh, still works. Of course, my pamaypay. My ID right here. I have 2 wallets. Next pocket, I have another wallet. Dito yung coin purse. I don't know. Ba't tatlo yung wallet ko? Eco bag. If bibili ako ng dinner ko after class. Lipstick. Dog food. Just in case may makasalubong akong stray dog. Favorite MLB bean. Pero super sad namin ng friends ko kasi finish out na siya ng Strokes. It's in the shade Contessa. It's their Velvet Click Stick. So, wait. Pakita ko na nga sa inyo kahit gabi na. See? Okay, last time before I forgot my watch hair clip. I also have it in yellow. Okay, so super haggard na. So, pasensya na agad. One of my besties told me, nagpa-prepare daw siya ng outfit niya the night before. We'll pick an outfit and paplansyahin na natin siya. Dito lang ako mamalansya. Tinatamad na ako iusog yung camera. Maghanap ng proper angle. So, please bear with me, my haggard face. And sa pagbulong, cause it's currently 8:30. It's almost 8:30. So, ayoko nang maabala yung mga nasa ibang room. Baka sabihin ang ingay ko, tapos mareklamo ako. So, bumulong na lang tayo. I have this wide leg pants. I have a few options in mind. I have this crop top right here. And round neck siya, if you can see. There. And crop top also na V-neck siya. And last, ito yung bias ko kasi gusto ko yung fit niya sa akin. Round neck lang din siya, pero di siya crop top. Parang cute to. No? parang ewan. Parang namimili lang tayo dun sa tatlong Spider-Man na nagkatapat-tapat na meme. This is my favorite plancha. Hindi siya yung normal, steam siya. Tapos you put water here. Tapos lalagyan mo lang siya dyan. I think that's it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I just got home. I had a full day today. I can't chika much because wala na akong energy, to be honest. Pero I just wanted to update you guys kung ano yung shoes na ginamit ko. Change your angle. Tomorrow is gonna be a much vloggable day, I think. Today is a new day. I need to go outside na to buy some foods. Hindi ko din alam kung ano yung bibilin ko. Pero for sure, I will buy ice kasi sobrang init. I want ice. Let's go. Good morning guys! Today is Monday. It's already 11:35 AM. Today is the day na uuwi na ako. I've been staying here in Manila for more than a week already. My allowance is running low. Dapat mas maaga akong aalis dito pero wala na akong magagawa. I woke up late. May mga few things din ako nabibilin sa convenience store para dun sa ibibigay ko sa friend ko. I'll show you in a while pero maglagay muna tayo ng sunscreen para nagsiset na siya sa face ko. Habang dumadaldal ako, I'll show you guys yung ibibigay ko dun sa friend ko. Care kit, ganon. Unti lang. Kasi parang iniipon ko lang per day yung mga pwede kong ibigay. Kasi di ko kayang bumili ng isang bagsakan. Bibili na lang ako later sa convenience store na chocolates or coffee, ganon. Ilalagay ko siya dito. Paper bag, pencil, mga stickers, and highlighters. Mentos na candy. Okay, we're back. Bought food lang sa Uncle John. Guys, nag-crave ako ng food nila. Excited ako is yung Zeus coffee. I ordered their matcha latte. Let's see. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. Okay, let's try. Cheers, guys. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Ito yung mga type ko na matcha. I'll just eat lunch and prepare my things before I go.